Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, JK Watanabe. Andito kami ngayon sa Airbase, Kakamigahara, kung saan ginaganap ang kanilang 50th anniversary Airshow.
The vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi bag.
Hi bag. Hello guys. Hi. Ang init. Pero second time na namin manood ng Airshow dito sa Kamigahara Airbase. At yung first time naming manood dito, yun yung bagong dating siya sa Japan 6 years ago.
Pa yun.
Yes, tapos ngayon, it's our second time. Ito naman yung first Airshow ni Sana.
Hanggang JB po. Nandun yung Japan yan. Galing? Ang galing?
Every November, the Japan Air Self-Defense Force at the Gifu hosts an airshow at Kakamigahara on a public holiday. The Blue Impulse aerobatic team is the star attraction of the show. Other aircraft are also on display, including transport, search, and rescue planes. Large crowds are expected at the airbase on this day. Visitors can touch and even take photos of the aircraft on display. In the midst of the roaring sounds of the aircrafts, everyone will be enthusiastically waiting for the group performance of aircrafts, which comes in groups of 3, 5, and more. Rescue operations using helicopters are also displayed during the show. At various parts of the airbase grounds, we can see small exhibits of aircrafts and their parts, static movements of individual parts explained by the team. This show is a great opportunity to watch the military aircrafts closely along the taking photographs of the planes from various angles.
Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates.